Good morning, everybody. It's a beautiful day here in Colorado Springs. I'm Adrian Mota, and welcome to Apex. It's been a while since I made a video. I got married and have a family now and been real busy in business, but I think it's time that I get back at it. And one of the things that I need to do is to fix my Chrysler Crossfire. I had an issue happen the other day where my spoiler is now stuck in the up position. I've done some research, some things that we need to do to potentially fix the problem and hopefully get that spoiler to go back down and up when you reach about 65 miles an hour. I got my two boys helping me today, so let's get started. So guys, come follow me. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at what the issue is. So my spoiler is stuck in the up position. I haven't tried to force it down. It won't go down. It actually is just stuck. But what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna go in the car and we're gonna see what's happening inside the Chrysler Crossfire.
What?
Well, look who it is. Hi, Isaiah.
Hello, everybody.
Isaiah, do you want to show everybody what's going on with the car?
Yes.
Go ahead and turn it on. All right, Isaiah. Let's see what's going on. What's happening to the spoiler button?
So the spoiler button is right here and it just keeps on flashing because the spoiler is stuck up.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna try to fix this problem. We're gonna start with the easiest solution first, and then we're gonna work on our way to the harder solutions. Hopefully it's an easy fix, but we'll see what's going on. My other son, Isaac. Isaac, say hello to everybody.
Hey guys.
Isaac, would you mind opening the hood for me, please?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, Isaiah, can you open the hood?
Yep.
Good job. The first thing that we're gonna look at is we're gonna look at the fuse box. So I got all this information on the fuses on Facebook. The page, the Crossfire Tech Parts and Rescue Group. If you own a Chrysler Crossfire, I highly suggest that you join this group. It has all the PDFs of all the information that you need to be able to successfully fix your car if there are issues, and some other things that commonly go wrong with the Chrysler Crossfire. So we're gonna look at the fuse box now. So in my fuse box, I still have the diagram of everything and all the numbers of what everything does. And if you guys look here, mine's not very good, but we're looking at the one for the spoiler motor, which is number 20. So we're gonna pull it out and then we're gonna see if the fuse is broken, if we need to replace it, and if it's still good, then we have to move on to the next scenario. So here's the fuse box. All right, so the fuse that we're going to be pulling out is the one on number 20. The fuse that we're pulling out is this guy right here, and we're going to see if it's broken. Hopefully it is. That way it's an easy fix, but if not, we'll move on to the next step. And I think it's broken. Does it look like it's connected? I don't think so. You see any wire?
No.
No.
Not one.
All right, let's see if we can just replace this and get a new one and fix the spoiler, yeah?
Yep. Yeah.
All right, boys. Now we're going to take the Alpha and go to AutoZone and get a new fuse. You guys ready?
Yes.
This is what we're looking for. What number does it say?
What number? 10?
And what color is it?
Red.
All right, so let's look for 10 in red.
10A and too small. Red.
That looks good, doesn't it?
Yep. It's a box of those.
Let's take a look.
It's 10. They're all 10.
They look the same?
Yeah. Yep. They look identical.
The same size? Looks like it, right?
It is. Yeah.
All right.
That was quick.
I don't know if we need this many though. Maybe the other one. How many are in there?
This one?
No, this one.
That one?
All right, I think we got what we need. Ready?
Yep. Ready.
You can record me. All right, boys, you want to go get some Dutch Brothers?
Yeah. Yes.
Let's go. All right, we got the new fuse, so we're just gonna put it in and fingers crossed that the spoiler works again. Okay, number 20. All right. And David, do you want to turn on the car?
Yes.
Isaac, let's go back here. Let's see if this is spoiler works. So, go ahead and turn it on. And it works.
It works. It works.
Press the button again.
It's kind of on there.
Hold it.
Kind of.
Now hold it. Put it down.
Does it work?
You have to hold it, Isaiah, until it beeps.
It works.
It works.
Yes. We did it. Fingers.
All right, boys, the spoiler works. Thank you for your hard work. High five. High five. So that was the easy fix, huh?
Yeah.
Sorry guys, I thought it was gonna be a lot more intense, but it's good for me, thank God, that all it was a fuse. Actually 2 years ago when I bought this car, if you watch my first video, I made a point that I heard something click when the spoiler would go up. So I do know something is wrong. I bet that eventually the motor will conk out and I'll do a whole video of replacing that. But in the meantime, all it was just a fuse. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys stay blessed. The next video that we have is actually gonna be on the Alfa Romeo Giulia that we bought about a year ago. Finally doing a video on that, talking about how great of a car it's been, not only for me, but for my family and especially my wife. She has a lot of fun with that. But thank you guys so much for watching Apex. I'm Adrian, and God bless you guys.